Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how can you use the affiliate enrollment trigger in the GoHighLevel workflows to create a seamless affiliate onboarding process. So I'm going to jump into my GoHighLevel sub account, and under automation, I already have a workflow set up. So let me just open that for you. Once it has opened up, we're just going to click on add new trigger and we will type in affiliate, and now you'll see we have an affiliate enrollment in campaign trigger option. So if you select that, what it's basically doing is anytime you have a new affiliate being added into a campaign, be it automatic or manual, we will now be able to track it and then create a workflow based on that. So I'm just going to add a filter here real quick to select a relevant campaign. So the campaign is going to be campaign create for. This is the one that I'll be using, and just save trigger here. Now, what happens is once an affiliate is added to my affiliate campaign, I basically want to add a tag to them firstly because I want to be able to determine which affiliate belongs to which campaign. So this one tells me that this affiliate is for the luggage store affiliate campaign, which is good. So this will be helpful later on. And then I'm sending an internal notification to myself or to my team so that anytime an affiliate is joining the affiliate campaign for the luggage store, I'm just notifying them that we have this new affiliate. Here's their name, email, and phone number, and we can access this information very easily. So if you click on this tag button right here, it says custom values. Under affiliate enrolled in campaign, once you have that trigger, this will unlock. So if you select that, we have a bunch of options here. So we can now use all of this data to our advantage. So we have the affiliate's name, their contact information, the campaign they are part of. So maybe adding a campaign here would be a good idea. So all we'll have to do is just select the campaign name. And then we also have some more options like the commission earned, what is their portal link or the magic login link. So we can use all of that. Now, because this is a notification and this information is going to my team, I think having the campaign and the affiliates details is enough here. So I've just finished it here. And then I'm sending an SMS and email to the affiliate so that they can get all the information they need to get started. So the first thing is the SMS, where we are welcoming them to the affiliate campaign. And then we're also sending a magic login link, which again, you can easily send through here. So you can also send the portal link or the magic login link. So if they click on that, they can get into the portal right away. And that way they're able to see how much people they referred, what is their commission, and they can get payout. So it is going to be really helpful in the onboarding of the affiliate so they would know exactly what they need. Because if you're not sending any of this information once an affiliate joins you, they're just going to be clueless. So if you have all of these things dialed in, it would be really good. And also I am sending an email in the next step. So they get like, welcome to the luggage store affiliate program. Here is the login link again. And then I have hyperlinked the terms of service or the requirements of the affiliate program. So just setting expectations on what we are looking for and how can they win with us so that, it's a win-win for both of us. So this simple workflow can take care of a seamless onboarding process for an affiliate, but there are more use cases where this trigger or this whole setup can be helpful. So as you can see, I added a tag here in the initial step. What it allows me to do is to determine different kinds of affiliates from different campaigns. So when I'm sending custom content like email newsletters or any other emails that I'm sending to these affiliates to keep them engaged, I can select the tags and then just send the relevant content to them. So that will keep your affiliates engaged. And of course, the better engaged affiliates are, the better they're going to perform. And that way you'll get more sales. All right, so that was all about this video. Again, if you're using the GoHighLevel Affiliate Manager, I would definitely encourage you to use this trigger so you can have a better onboarding process for your affiliates, add in the tags, have better segmentation so you can send relevant content into the future and then keep them engaged. And this will make sure that you have an awesome affiliate program.